Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And in today's video is crafting with $1 items. So I am in this swap at Mandy's place where the requirements were we have to have 6 items. The first one needs to be flour from a Dollar Tree, Walmart, or any $1 item. The second one was a tassel, and the third one was a pin. So these are the items that I normally buy at Dollar Tree. Tissue paper, clothespins, and I found these beautiful baggies, gift bags. 3, and also this diamond wrap, cord, jute cord, pink, kind of a lacy beigey trim. Oh, look at this beautiful 1/4 inch hot pink sequence ribbon, and also this other one, which is a turquoise ribbon. So this time I went to a Dollar Tree 15 miles away from home, which had a better selection, and I was shocked to find all these beautiful trims and ribbons. In addition, I also got this iridescent tissue paper and got these flowers too, bows, like for packaging. So I bought white, and of course I already used it, and some of the paper clips I already took them off the container. So let's move around this and let's take a look at what I had done. So I got this baggie. Oh, came out. Probably have to glue it. This baggie, which came plain, right? So I use the bow that already had a gem, and I glue the blue sequence ribbon, which I also got at Dollar Tree. Oh, I forgot to show you what I also got. Yeah, a couple of months ago I got these cupcake linings from Dollar Tree. They were white, so I bought them as well. Now for the clothespin, I decorated it very simple. I used Maggie Holmes carousel paper, a nice embellishment, kind of like turquoise from Queen and Company. So this is my clothespin. We were required to have a flower, so what I did was I used the iridescent paper and the pink tissue paper from the Dollar Tree, and with my flower die I just cut them and fluff it and put like a little rhinestone there. So this is a flower made of tissue paper and iridescent paper. Now for the tassel, again I use the trims. I had this trim already. The lace, ribbon, the hot pink trim, and I already have these hoops bought a couple of months ago and tie them up. I have a tutorial on how to make tassels, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And I use a little sticker from Prima Marketing. It's like a butterfly. It looks like kind of like a boho tassel. So everything goes along with the color scheme. Then with the cupcake linings, I put together this cupcake topper. This unicorn cake topper, bought it in Hobby Lobby last month. So I used that one. I used my iridescent paper from the Dollar Tree. And underneath there is the hot pink crepe paper that I bought at Dollar Tree a couple of months ago. Glue it and use the cupcake lining to form a rosette. And here you go, a unicorn cake topper. Or you can use it for just to decorate any Happy Mail package. And my last item, the paper clip from the Dollar Tree. What I did was I used one of my paper scraps in a little bow that I had already stashed and glue it. And this is the paper clip. So these are all those 6 items that I put together for this swap at Mandy's place. Very simple. I use, again, Dollar Tree items, tissue paper, ribbons, sequins, iridescent paper, bows, cupcake linings, clothespins. I mean, you can just do so many things with Dollar Tree items or items that normally cost $1 as a base, and then from that pick up whatever you have in your stash and put just beautiful things together. And this is it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye.